What's up, y'all, and welcome to Fork and Photo. Today, or night, whichever one, it's going to be all about adobo seasoning. Or, like Darius Cooks like to yell, adobo! Get you a small bowl, 1 tablespoon of accent, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and that's freshly ground, half a tablespoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 wonderful teaspoon of cilantro leaves, and those are dried cilantro leaves there, 1.5 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. And now it's time to get spicy. Half a teaspoon of jalapeno. You could also use chili powder here if you don't have any type of dried jalapeno powder. I like jalapeno over chili sometimes. Sometimes I do both. And then half of a teaspoon of turmeric. And that is some of my own homemade lemon and orange peels ground up. You can just use like a lemon pepper or any type of ground citrus that you have. That is half of a teaspoon of that as well. And then you just gotta mix, baby, mix. Mix, baby, ooh, baby, mix, baby, mix. And then you taste it. If it doesn't taste like you want it, add a little bit of salt. Season that to taste with the salt. And guess what, baby? You are done. Put it in a shaker and do whatever you want. I put it on everything. Every single thing. I hope that you enjoy this adobo seasoning and, don't support Goya Foods anymore since you know how they are. But don't forget to subscribe and follow on Instagram, Fork and Photo. Until next time, see y'all later. Juicies!